Have you ever wondered what the life of a gorilla is like in the jungle? How do they spend their time? What do they eat? And how do they take care of their young? In this video, we will be exploring all these questions and more. So let's dive in. Gorillas are one of the largest living primates and are known for their strength and intelligence. They are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of plants, including leaves, stems, buds, and unripe fruit. They also consume ripe fruit when it is available. Gorillas typically eat between 30 to 60 pounds of vegetation per day. This vegetation is high in fiber and nutrients and provides them with the energy they need to survive. In addition to their herbivorous diet, gorillas have been observed eating termites and other insects. They use a special technique called termite fishing to catch their prey. This involves using a thin twig or a leaf to fish out termites from their nests. The gorillas then eat the termites whole or pick them apart. This behavior has been seen in both wild and captive gorillas, but it is not common. On average, a gorilla can live up to 35 years in the wild. Although there have been cases of gorillas living longer in captivity, as mentioned earlier, gorillas are herbivores and play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Their dung contains seeds from the plants they consume, which are then deposited in new areas through their movement. This helps to fertilize the soil and promote plant growth. Now let's talk about their social interactions. Male gorillas are typically solitary, while females and their offspring live in groups. These groups consist of related females and their young, as well as the adult male, who is the father of the infants. Groups typically range in size from 10 to 30 individuals. Adult males will leave their group when they reach sexual maturity and either live alone or join another group. Within the group, there is a hierarchy, and the dominant male is the only one allowed to breed. He will perform a ritualistic display of dominance, including beating his chest and making a loud throat call to establish his position. The other males in the group will submit to the dominant male to avoid conflict. Females will also vocalize during courtship to attract a mate. When a baby gorilla is born, it is carried by its mother on the back until it is old enough to walk on its own. Usually, around 6 months of age, the infant will ride on the mother's back until it is around 3 years old and will continue to be dependent on her for several years after that. Adult gorillas will also help to care for the young, and this communal child care is an important aspect of their social structure. Now let's discuss the threats they face. One of the biggest threats to gorillas is habitat loss due to deforestation. As humans continue to encroach into their territory, gorillas are forced to live in smaller, fragmented areas. This makes it difficult for them to find food and increases their vulnerability to poaching and disease. Poachers often target gorillas for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Gorillas are also susceptible to diseases such as Ebola, which can devastate entire populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect gorillas and their habitats. These efforts include creating protected areas, working with local communities to reduce poaching, and providing education about the importance of gorilla conservation. Now let's talk about the different species of gorillas. There are two main species of gorillas: the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. The eastern gorilla is further divided into two subspecies, the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla. The mountain gorilla lives in the mountainous regions of Central Africa and is critically endangered with only an estimated 1,000 individuals left in the wild. The eastern lowland gorilla lives in the lowland forests of eastern Africa and is also endangered with an estimated 5,000 individuals left in the wild. The western gorilla is further divided into two subspecies, the Cross River gorilla and the western lowland gorilla. The Cross River gorilla is found in the forested regions of Cameroon and Nigeria and is critically endangered with only an estimated 200 to 300 individuals left in the wild. The western lowland gorilla lives in the lowland forests of Central and Eastern Africa and is also endangered with an estimated 100,000 individuals left in the wild. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating life of gorillas in the jungle. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.